Hello, and welcome to an ICC Smart Classroom. Today's students expect technology to be integrated with their instruction, and a smart classroom leverages several options to best suit your needs. First off, what is a smart classroom? A smart classroom, or smart room, is ICC's most extensive technologically equipped classroom. It consists of a multimedia projector and screen, sound system, resident Windows PC, Blu-ray or DVD player, document camera, and laptop connections. All this technology is coordinated by a touch panel that offers the instructor simple, localized control of the room. So let's get started operating your smart room. When you first enter the room, you will need to turn on the projector and select a source to display. If the touch panel is dark, simply tap it to wake it up. Once it's active, pressing power will turn on the projector, and in most rooms, it will also lower the screen. There are some rooms that have a manual screen, or the screen may be operated by a switch on the wall. Next, select the source you wish to display. All the available options appear on a list on the left side of the touch panel. The buttons on the touch panel will have a yellow glow or highlight when that option is active. If the resident PC is needed, log into the system with a generic instructor account. The username is instructor and the password is term specific, so contact your department office or the technology help desk for the password. Your personal credentials can also work, but we encourage using the instructor login for both speed and security. Also, no matter which login you use, be sure to log off the PC when you are done to maintain security and to allow ease of transition between users. Volume is displayed and controlled through the status bar on the touch panel. There's also an option to mute the room as well. In several rooms, there is also an option to mute the picture. This allows you to blank the screen without turning the projector off. This option is to be used only for brief periods and should not replace turning off the projector. To play a disc, select the source on the touch panel and use the controls on the panel to operate the player. The document camera, also known as a digital presenter, allows the display of documents and objects on the projector. When you select it as a source, it will turn on the camera. Use the controls on the front of the unit to operate the zoom and light functions, or use the zoom wheel on the camera head depending on the model of camera. If there is a need to connect a laptop, Chromebook, or other device, there are cables to do so. In several cases, there are both VGA and HDMI connections to support both analog and digital formats. Older rooms will only have a VGA cable. Users must supply any necessary adapters or dongles to connect non-native devices. A wireless mouse or clicker is included in every smart room. Users can operate the mouse from anywhere in the room. While it's a fully functioning mouse, it's ideal for advancing through presentation slides. The scroll wheel on the side of the unit is used to advance and rewind slides. There's also a laser pointer on the mouse. While the mouse is always working, the pointer must be activated. Press and hold the small right-sized button along with the large translucent button. The large button will flash red, which indicates the pointer is on. Press the right-sized button to activate the laser. Once your class is complete, we ask that you log off and shut down the room. Shutting down the room is simple. Just press the power button and confirm the shut-off. This will turn off the projector and raise the screen. If you have questions or need further instruction, please contact the Technology Help Desk at 694-5457 or email us at helpdesk@icc.edu. Thanks for joining me on this brief overview of the Smart Classroom. Good luck.